garlic. Is tayo ng garlic. So, yung gagawin natin is maraming garlic. Onion chives. Yung ating onion chives. Onions. Ayan, dami tayong onion dyan. Tayo ng Angus chuck pot roast. Ito yung gagamitin natin na beef. Okay. Slice lang natin na pa-square. Ang yan. Yan siya. Para ayan. So, ayan. I-marinate natin yung ating beef sa salt, black pepper, powder. Ayan. Cayenne pepper, a little spicy siya, of oregano. Add soy sauce. So, yung iba, naglalagay sila ng baking soda. So, hindi ako maglalagay ng baking soda. Kasi lulutuin ko naman siya agad. And then, oyster sauce. Ooh, oyster sauce. Ayan, oyster sauce. Ng red wine. So, we're going to marinate kahit mga 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Mix lang natin. Ay, napaka-strong ng red wine. Ayan. Okay, so marinate na siya. Hopefully, okay na ito na may konting anghang lang. Gamit tayo ng olive oil para isaute natin yung ating garlic. Hintay yung garlic natin. Hintay natin na maging golden brown. Ayan, malapit na masunog yung ating garlic. Natin yung garlic, guys. It's okay. Okay. So we're gonna add a butter. We're going to saute lots of garlic too. Onions. Sarap to. Bok choy. Maglagay tayo ng oyster sauce. See? Diba? Vegetable here. Ayan. Ilagay natin ilagay na natin yung ating beef sa taas ng ating vegetable. Ayan siya. Yung remaining oil yan kasi masarap yan. And then, yung remaining sauce. Oh, diba? And then, the last is we're going to put our garlic. Ayan. Oh, lots of garlic. Garnishing our onion chives on the top. And then, ready to eat na yan, guys. Ready to eat na yan.